What's something illegal your employer does that everyone pretends not to notice? At my previous job at a mid-sized marketing agency, the entire company participated in a billing scheme that was clearly illegal, yet somehow normalized as standard industry practice. The system worked like this. Every employee had to log a minimum of 9 billable hours daily to clients, regardless of actual work performed. If you only had 6 legitimate hours, you were expected to distribute the remaining 3 hours across client accounts that could absorb the cost, usually larger companies with substantial retainers. Our project management software even had unofficial internal codes for these fake hours. We'd mark them as strategic planning or creative development, minus vague categories that clients couldn't easily question. Most disturbing was how this fraud was framed during my onboarding. My manager casually explained it as balancing the scales since sometimes we work hours we don't bill. The company handbook never mentioned this practice, but verbal training was explicit about meeting billable hour targets. When a new account manager questioned this approach in a team meeting, our director responded with remarkable candor. If you can't figure out how to hit your numbers, maybe agency life isn't for you. The questioning stopped immediately. The employees who thrived were those who became comfortable with systematic fraud. I justified my participation for nearly 2 years, believing all agencies operated this way. It wasn't until joining my current company with legitimate billing practices that I fully understood we'd been committing criminal fraud against our clients. What frightens me most in retrospect wasn't the illegality itself, but how easily we rationalized it as normal business operations.